Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the QudeAI token. Ticker symbol is QUDE. Now this token just recently got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. This is a huge project on the Solana blockchain. They have a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trade volume. We're going to go over the information on the QudeAI framework token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is up 36.6% today. They have a market cap of $40.5 million. And just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $45.8 million. So like I said, huge project. Trending number 30 right now in the Solana section on Dex Screener. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right there. It is at QudeAI. You can see the contract address is right there. And they have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Their webpage, Discord, Twitter, GitHub, Documents, Telegram, YouTube channel, you name it. It's all in that link tree right there. So this token also just a day or two ago just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search QUDE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the QUDE framework open source code allows users to create artificial intelligence agents directly in their CLI, with QUDE acting as a co-pilot to help build them. QudeAI framework acts as a co-pilot for developers, helping them manage the complexities of AI agent creation, deployment, and blockchain integration with built-in tools for natural language processing and blockchain queries. So the agent creation, it says define an agent's behavior and purpose using a few lines of code and customize its features to suit your needs. You can publish the defined agent to the Solana blockchain using the CLI. Now, the architecture, it says the QudeAI framework is designed as a modular, scalable, and high-performance system to facilitate the deployment, interaction, and management of AI agents. So the backend serves as the primary interface for users to interact with agents built on Node.js. It uses Express for routing and API endpoints, supports RESTful API interaction with agent queries, token management, and trading operations, integrates directly with Firebase for data persistence, and Solana for blockchain-related operations. The key responsibilities, it says manage agent lifecycle deployment, interaction, decommission, query and handle agent-specific data from blockchain and external APIs, and enable seamless interaction through HTTP methods. So blockchain integration, Solana is used for high-speed, low-cost transactions. The framework interacts with Solana for token creation and management, querying on-chain data like top holders, token supply, and transaction history. Ensures transparency and immutability for storing critical agent and token data on the blockchain. The key features, it supports querying real-time blockchain data via BitQuery APIs, and efficient token management and trading operations on the Solana network. Powered by OpenAI APIs, the AI engine enables intelligent interactions and responses. Each agent can be configured with specific behaviors and knowledge bases for tailored user experiences. Some of the key features: flexible configuration of agent behavior, scalable AI query handling using OpenAI's GPT models, enables natural language processing for advanced interaction. Now, the Firebase integration, it says, acts as a centralized database for storing agent metadata, user interactions, and analytics. Real-time data updates enable seamless coordination between agents and users. Firebase handles authentication and agent ownership validation. The key responsibilities: store agent details like contract address, name, metadata, and maintains logs of user interactions and performance metrics. Now, the user interaction layer, it says users can interact with agents through command line tools, RESTful API endpoints, external web interfaces, and third-party applications. Provides an intuitive interface for both developers and end users. And there is the middleware layer, which orchestrates requests between the user interaction layer and backend API, ensures secure communication via authentication mechanisms, and validates and sanitizes inputs to prevent unauthorized access or misuse. And so they have some scalability and extensibility, security measures, example workflow, and future enhancements. And you can read all about this on their docs.QUDE.ai documentation guide. They also have a DAO, so the QudeAI DAO. It's a decentralized organization designed to aggregate and manage the market capitalization of all agents deployed through the QudeAI framework. You can check out their Telegram at QudeAI. They have almost 2,000 subscribers on there. And check out the webpage at QUDE.ai for all the other links as well. And you can find this token on BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, SolScan, and newly listed on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one where this token just got listed. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.